So go to do a virtual tour, you have to do a custom landing page. One of the easier ways. You can add it in other pages if you want. I'm going to show you how to add it as a custom, but you can change whatever you want. You're going to go to Lofty Marketing, Landing Pages, add a new landing page. Then you're going to scroll down. Now, again, I'm going to show you how to do it on Build Your Own. I find this easier. If you click, you could do a live tour. We're just going to do this one. Build Your Own. I'm going to select template. I'm just going to call it something like test 5, whatever, it doesn't matter. Then I'm going to save it. Now, once I've saved it and it's there on the left here, I want to be looking at this button here that says block. And I'm going to go down to the second part that says content and click media. And then I'm looking for right here, virtual tour. When I drag it in here, it opens right here, drag that block here. You see there's nothing there, so I have to go here and hit the edit button. And then I'm not going to do a video, I'm going to put a virtual tour. So I'm going to drop the link for whatever your virtual tour is right here. And I don't think that's the virtual tour I want. I'm going to go copy that tour real quick. Let me copy that tour for someone who's watching the video. And there it is. And now the tour is in there. And then if you want to, you can go to your settings, put in your Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel ID. You can also go to the bottom SEO to keyword relevance. You can add in all your keywords like homes for sale, et cetera, and then you hit publish. Now I want to get the link, so I'm going to hit post to social just so I can grab the link for the one that I want. And here's my link. I can get it to work. Here's my link. And I'm going to open Facebook so you can see kind of what it would look like. And I just hit what's on my mind and put it in Facebook. And then I'm going to just delete the preview and I would say, check out my new listing, etc. and do it. And then I'm just going to show you what it looks like when somebody clicks on it. And it should have a little preview, but there it is. And now when you hit play, it starts playing the tour. And that's it. And now I have my virtual tour set up on my, see right here, boom. It's ready to go and it just loads right up and they're ready to go.